On number 7, we're going to start solving these quadratics, and they're not already in factored form, so we're going to have to factor them. Remember, you always want to make sure that you're in standard form again and set equal to 0. So you want all your terms on one side. You want your squared term to be positive, so you would never move it to the other side and make it be a negative leading term. So this one's already ready. It's got all our 3 terms in standard form on one side and set equal to 0. So we're going to begin by factoring this quadratic. Remember, the highest exponent on your polynomial tells you the largest number of solutions that you could have. So we can have at most 2 solutions. We may only have one. If it's the same number twice, then we only have 1 solution. And we could possibly have no solutions, but you won't have any of those on your study guide or your test. So we will have at most 2 solutions on this problem. Since our A value in this case is 1, we know we don't have a GCF to worry about, and we also know we don't have to use the bottoms-up method. We just need factors of C, which is -8, that combine to get B, which is +2. So we're going to look at all the factors of -8, and since it's multiplying to get a negative, we know our signs have to be opposites. So -1 and +8, or 1 and -8, -2 and +4, or 2 and -4 are our only options. We want the pair that combines to get B, which is a +2. So in this case, it's the -2 and +4. So our binomial factors are x minus 2 times x plus 4, and that equals 0. So now using the zero product property, we know this times this equals 0. So either x minus 2 has to be 0 or x plus 4 has to be 0. So what value of x would make x minus 2 0? Well, if this is -2, x has to be a +2. 2 minus 2 is 0. If this is +4, then x has to be -4. -4 plus 4 is 0. So those are our 2 solutions for our x values, 2 and -4. Remember, don't put those in parentheses. That's not a point. If you wanted to check to see if those are correct, you could put 2 into your original quadratic up here and make sure that you get zeros in answer. So you'd have 2 squared, which is 4, plus 2 times 2, which is another 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 8 is 0. You could do the same thing with your -4. But remember, when you square -4, -4 times -4 is 16. The -4 times the 2 is a -8. So you have 16 minus 8, which is 8. Minus 8 is 0. So both of those work in our quadratic.